In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Cant install CNBC Business and Stock News app. If you are trying to install this app, but each and every time you're told can't install, then follow these steps to fix this problem. If this helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, in the first method, you need to go ahead and look for Playstore on your smartphone, then tap on it to open. To install the app, you'll need first to log in with your Gmail, so make sure you are logged in with your Gmail. However, if you had tried to install this app with your Gmail logged in, but you were unsuccessful, then go ahead and tap on this Gmail profile icon and then go to settings. Under the settings, look for network and preferences, and here tap on it. You should see various options. Under it, tap on app download preferences, and here you need to go ahead and look for this first option over any network. So this will make sure that you can download your apps via any network that you are connected on. Once this is selected, now go ahead and tap on OK to save the changes, and now go and download your app. At this point, you shouldn't encounter any challenge. But should you still find any issues, then you need to go ahead and find your Google Play Store app and then long press on it to access its app info option. So I'll tap on app info. However, if you can see this app info option, you should see a settings gear or even the name of the app. Just tap on it and you'll be taken to the app info page. You can also access the app info page through settings. At this point, we want to clear the app data, more especially cache data. So if I go to storage, you can see a breakdown of data on this app, and of importance is this cache data. So cache data are just small files that Google Play Store normally collects and stores to enhance user experience. But the problem is when these files accumulate, they might cause your app to malfunction. To fix this, tap on clear data and then choose the second option, clear cache, and then OK. At this point, go ahead and restart your smartphone and go open your Play Store. So if you go to Play Store now, search for your app, CNBC News, it is, and tap on it, then tap on install. Now you can see the installation process is on and I don't have now any other challenge. So that's how you can fix and able to install CNBC Business and Stocks News app from Play Store. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.